I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Targaye Nicole here. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing fantastic. I am doing fantastic. It is cash stuffing time, which is our favorite video in budgeting, in the budgeting world. We love to do our cash stuffing. At least I do, and I think most of you guys do, because you like to hold that money, get that money, give me that money. Okay, let me stop. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you coming back. Over here on my channel, we drink our water, mind our business, eat our fruit, and be frugal and happy, okay? So if you like planner related videos, budgeting videos, Etsy new releases, or Poshmark videos, please stay tuned or click that subscribe button. It's completely free. It's down below. And if you are here and you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get all my videos so you know when they come up. All right, let's get right into our May cash envelopes. I did go ahead and just create the sheet as to not waste any time. And this is my scratch and sniff washi. If you guys checked out my Paycheck to Paycheck, you'll know all about that. It smells amazing, okay? And so May cash envelopes, we've got our categories down. We know how much we want. So let's go ahead and take out this money, money that the bank has given us. I give this to my teller, and she actually knows it's me because I give her this. It does open up like this. I'm thinking about adding it to my store, not sure yet. And the paper is laminated underneath, so you write what you want and the total for her or him. So I have $265. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 140 in 20s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 10s, 5 and 10, 2 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ones. Exactly what I asked for. All right. So my cash envelopes are mishmash because I'm continually trying new things. Giving. If you didn't see my cash unstuffing video, that'll tell you what was left, what I spent it on, if you're interested. If not, let's do this. Giving, we're going to give myself $20. I have decided, because I want to give $5 to laundry, because if I told you guys the gym I've been having to go to laundry more often for gym clothes, so there's $20 in my giving envelope. Grocery will get its normal $60 for the 2 weeks, so I get paid every 2 weeks if you're new here. And I take these amounts that you see here and divide them into two. Can you see? All right, $60, 20, 40, 50, 60 into groceries. And my groceries, I usually keep my Price Plus, and now I've added my Costco because I've been getting my fruit over there over at the Costco now that I've renewed my membership. And then the gas is also $60, but you guys, gas is so expensive now. It's so far it's been okay, but I don't know. 20, 40, 50, 60, and you guys know when it gets warmer, sometimes you want to do a little bit more traveling and driving around to like different events, and so gas may need to go up, but for now we're going to keep it at 60 until the day that I actually am out there looking crazy with no gas money. $15, I've upped that from 10 to 15 because I need more gas to do laundry, and I actually like to give myself that 10 of it into singles. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the other 5. So 15 for laundry. And I left the $1.25 in coins that was already in my laundry holder. Then next we have allowance for me, my money, which is $40 for this 2 weeks. So we'll do 20, 30, 40. We'll do it like that. This is my $40. And then toiletries is $20, which is something I want to talk about. I've already started, if you saw my unstuffing video, you know, I've already started making like a list of my normal toiletries, for instance, like toothpaste, lotion, deodorant, contact solution, things like that. I'll go over it with you another time because I'm thinking I want to go into Costco, hence why I redid my Costco, and see, 20 bucks. I want to see how much these things are and what the total would be to get them in bulk, because it's just me. And I was like, I looked at the toilet paper I bought from Walmart, and it was like I want to say it was 12 something, and it was like a 24 pack, and I've had it since, I want to say February 11th or something. So it's been like 2 months and I haven't had to buy toilet paper, and I'm like, well, damn it, I should do that with everything else. Just ridiculous. $10, but I have to see how much it's going to come up to be. Now there's already money in prescriptions, and that's because I have a doctor's appointment coming up, so I'm just banking my little $10. So now there's 20 in there, and I will update my registers for these when I get off the camera. That's gonna take too long. But if you do want me to do one, because I did have someone ask me, basically what I would do now, it is 454, and it is my Paycheck May number 1, and that's what I would do. And then I would say that I added in the credit column $10, so now I have $20, and that's as simple as it is to fill out. So I don't have to do this one. Yay. So prescriptions is done. And then the next thing we have is our self-care, which gets $20. In self-care, we currently have $20 in there already, and we're going to add another $20. 10. Yeah. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. So no, I don't want to do that. We'll just do the full 20. So there's $20 now in self-care. Just messed up the money, Tara. And I'm keeping that extra 20 from before because I want to get a mani and pedi. And now I should be able to, because I have $40 in there now. Clothing also gets $20. Oh, it's probably just this right here. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20 into clothing, and there's currently already $20 in there, so they now has $40. If you want to know where the rest of this money went, because it was originally $62, you'll have to check out my unstuffing video. Now skincare currently has $31 in it, and we don't stuff these. We kind of stuff these with what is left over from the previous envelopes, and what was left over from the previous envelopes was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15. There's actually $111, but some of that is still in there. So, what did we say? 10, 11, 12, 13, $15. So since skincare is my main priority right now, and I'm waiting to get to the Ulta, and I currently have 31, I am going to go ahead and add that extra $10 in there. So now we have $41. 10? No, 30. Yeah, $41 in here. Yay, we're getting up there. And I'll update that as well. Hair care, I want to get my hair done sooner rather than later because the ends need to be cut, and since there's only 10, I am going to add all of this 5 into hair care, and it is $15 for my trims at this place, but I do want to add another 5 to pay for a tip. So just one more week. And then home decor, poor baby home decor. Nothing is there for them. So we added $10 to skincare. I don't know why I wanted to make that small. And $5 to hair care, and nothing to poor baby home care. So home decor. Let's just add up what we've got. 20 plus 6. Equals $280 in cash envelopes currently. And the bottom basically is just like for the end of the, after paycheck 2 is over, we go ahead and we fill out what's left over. And this is my girl from my squad goals. And this is my dollar store strawberry. Those are the decor. And that's it, guys. All right. I hope you enjoyed watching my cash stuffing envelopes. It was fun. It's always fun. I enjoy doing these videos. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys.